What's going on, everybody? This is the Fan Duet 21 back once again. And what you're looking at here is a box fan double feature. These are two Galaxy Lasco box fans, model 3723. Both of these fans were manufactured around 1989. And they are 3-speed. Both are 3-speed fans. And basically, these fans came out of the same building. And I'll tell you a story why I got two of them here in a minute. But we'll go ahead and view around the back here. These fans have the plastic encased motors. Around the early to mid 90s, that's when they changed around to the more rounded cabinet and a metal encased motor. They changed the cabinet design, actually used a solid plastic handle, unlike the rubber handles that always break after like 2 pulls. I mean, it's very rare to see these fans with the original handles. If you do ever come across one, you might as well go find yourself a lottery ticket because you probably strike it rich in the same day. But we'll tell you the story real quick here. So I bought one of these fans at one of my Habitat restores, and when I got it home, it did not work at all. So I didn't think about opening the motor, checking to see if there was any thermal fuse. But I knew that there was multiple box fans there. There was like 3 of these total, and the one here on the right hand side was the first one I bought because it was mostly intact and all original. The second one was missing the handle, or not the handle, was always missing the handle, but the speed control knob, as you can see, the one there is original, the other one's not. So, but anyway, the second one I got from Habitat actually worked. So basically I swapped the motors out between this one, and then I freaking decided, it's like, hey, maybe I could fix that one. And it turns out that the thermal fuse inside of it was open. So bypassed it, and fan works again. So now I got 2 of these fans running. So, like I said, the second one isn't as good of a shape, but as the plastic pieces are somewhat broken, especially in the back. But the first one here is pretty much all intact. I don't think there's any plastic slats in the grill or anything broke at all. So we're going to give these fans a demonstration. We'll start off with the left one and the right one, and do both. So we'll start this one up on low. Pretty modest low speed. Take it up to medium. And here's high. Shut this one down. Now both these fans pretty much run identical. Since they're identical fans made in the same time, they were probably purchased in the same place at the same time as well. So here's the right fan's low speed. Like I said, just about the same. Take it medium. And take it to high. All right. So we'll try to turn this one back down to low. And we'll start this one up on low. So there's low speed on both fans. Here's medium again. And here's hot. And I will conclude this video. So I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of these two 1989 Galaxy manufactured by Lasco 3723 box fans. So we'll see you next time, everybody. Take care.